Kay Senator Kiko Pangilinan, unahin niya ilabas yung SALN ni dating Ombudsman Martires mula nang umupo ito bilang Supreme Court Justice hanggang sa pagbaba nito sa pwesto bilang Ombudsman itong 2025. Baka sakaling magkaalaman na bakit tutol ito sa paglabas ng SALN.
Hindi ako tutol sa paglabas ng SALN. Kasi hindi lang ako may tutol eh. Nakalimutan ni Senator Pangilinan, sila mismo sa Senado ay may sariling guidelines na hindi mo pwede ilabas ang SALN ng isang senador kung walang consent yung senador. Diba? Kailangan may consent bawat isa eh. This is the requirement actually of the Data Privacy Act. That's why I was surprised when he said that. As a senator, he should know the laws. Alam niya dapat yung Data Privacy Act has practically amended or repealed the requirements in 6713. Ano bang ginawa kong anomalya? Had he said only na dapat ilabas yung SALN ko, period, okay sa akin. The problem is he went further para magkaalaman. E di sabihin niya, kung mayroon akong anomalya, di kaksawan niya ako. Why did he also just file a SALN of 23 million? Is that believable? Why didn't he let his wife join or state his assets and liabilities in his SALN?
So that's questionable to you?
Yes, because the requirement of 6713 is joint. Whether your wife is in the government or not, marami ho akong kaibigan, marami ho akong empleyado sa ombudsman o sa ibang ahensya ng mga asawa na sa private pero sinasama yung income ng asawa sa kanilang declaration of assets and liabilities. Bakit siya hindi? Nakatingin ba siya sa ibang direksyon? He is the one violating 6713 actually, not me.